Hello, Year 7, and welcome to your new project. We will shortly find out what we are going to be looking at over the next few lessons. But to get us thinking about our new topic, I would like you to consider the question on the screen. What would the world be like without religion? Can you think of what it would be like if we didn't have any religion, nobody held a faith, nobody believed in God? Do we think that would be a positive? Do we think that would be a negative? Are there some benefits? Are there some negatives? Please write down your answer in the workbook provided. This can be found in the supporting documents underneath this video on Moodle. Please pause the video now so you give yourself an opportunity to write your answer. Okay, so our lesson today, we're going to be looking at world religions and their origin. So over the next number of lessons, we're going to be seeing if we can describe the key features of the world religions and their pilgrimage sites. Within this lesson, we're going to be describing the location and the origin of each of the world religions. So I'm hoping by the end of the lesson, all of you will be able to describe the location and the origin of each of the world religions. I'm hoping most of you will be able to identify the missing religion, and I'm hoping some of you will even be able to explain the spread of some religions around the world. So to be able to achieve these lesson objectives, each of you will watch a video and note down at least 5 key points. You're going to use the information in the video to colour in a map to show the location of each world religion. You're going to be able to identify the missing religion from the video and note 10 bullet points on that religion from your independent research. You're going to re-watch the video and create a timeline to show the date each of the religions were created. So firstly, we are going to be watching a video. The link for this video can be found in your work booklet, and it is also shared in the notes underneath this video on Moodle. So while you're watching this video, I would like you to write down at least 5 facts you have gained from this video. Once you have done that, I would like you to use the map in your work booklet that is provided to colour in the map to show where you will find the majority of the world religions. So you will need 5 different colours, so you can colour where Christianity is found in the world, where Hinduism is found, where Judaism is found, where Buddhism is found, and where Islam is found. Okay? There is one religion that is missing from this video. It isn't giving you the introduction of one religion. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to pause the video, and I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to see if you can work out what religion is missing out of the main religions in the world. Okay, so Sikhism is missing from that video. Now that we've identified that Sikhism is the missing religion, can you research Sikhism and write 10 facts about the religion? Bullet point your ideas on a piece of paper, in your books, use Word or the workbook provided. I really do not mind. Remember, any information that you have found from your own individual research online should never be copied and pasted straight from a website. The information needs to be written in your own words. So by that, you need to be rewriting the sentence so it's really clear what you've understood from your research. Remember, we can all tell if you have copied and pasted your information. If you have a look in the work booklet, there are 10 spaces for you to place your research. Okay, next. You are going to re-watch the video using the same link as before, and this time you're going to have a different focus. While watching the video this time, you want to be watching to see the date that each of these religions were created. I would like you to create a timeline to show the age of each of these religions. Some of you may find it easier to bullet point the events in the correct chronological order and use these to bullet point to place on your timeline. A timeline with a starting date can also be found in your work booklet. For those of you that are struggling, here is a little bit of additional help for you to help you identify information to go on your timeline. Okay, so lastly, to consolidate your learning, to be really sure that you have learnt during this lesson, I would like you to choose one of the questions to answer. As always, the bronze question is the easiest. For the bronze question here, you need to describe the locations of each of the world religions. If you want to challenge yourself slightly, you've got the silver question, which explain how the religions have spread across the world. And lastly, the gold question, how accurate is your map for showing the locations of each religion in the world? Explain your answer.